Hi there. Most people want to make a difference, but things get in the way. Some people work really hard to fix and change things, but this can take a lot of energy, create tension, and it can wear you down over time. Other people keep bumping into the same issues over and over again, so they check out or they ignore the issue, but the stress is still there. And then others don't seem to notice the issues at all, but their reactions show that they are still stressed and they create stress for those around them. So, stressful patterns get in the way of making a difference. I will show you how you can notice what bothers you and then use this information to eliminate the underlying triggers to feel calmer. You'll unlock your potential so that more of your energy is available to make a difference, to focus on what matters most. You'll feel better. Those around you will feel better, more ease, more flow, more impact.